Some new tenants are coming to the Sawmill neighborhood. That market is under construction right now off Bellama. It's scheduled to open in February. When it does, it will include a variety of tenants. Developers announced today Padrell's Barbecue will be among them, as well as a pop-up gift shop by Spurline Supply, Estella's Floral Design, Exo Waffle, Blue Door Pastries, and Floral, and a Mexican-inspired kitchen. The goal of the property is to be an incubator for small homegrown businesses to reflect New Mexico's vibrant culture.